2012 1500. When the Dodge Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right, the Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, dual front airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, automatic stability control, keyless entry, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, bed liner, child safety locks, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror, towing package, cup holders, tinted glass, 4-piece floor mat set. Your new ride is just a phone call away.